Hello, traders, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're delving into the world of XAUUSD, the gold price against the US dollar. Gold has been making headlines recently, hitting new all-time highs above $2,700, and the news surrounding this surge is certainly captivating. We'll first take a look at the current events and news affecting gold before diving into the charts, identifying key price levels, trends, and other crucial details. Let's begin by examining the news landscape. Recent Google searches for XAUUSD reveal a significant interest in the gold price, with numerous articles and discussions centered around its recent surge. Multiple news outlets, including FX Street, Market Pulse, and Investing.com, have highlighted the reasons behind the gold price rally. Analysts point to the prospect of a globally low interest rate environment as a key driver, making gold a more attractive investment. The recent killing of Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar has heightened concerns about the Middle East conflict, further boosting demand for safe haven assets. Additionally, the upcoming U.S. presidential election is creating uncertainty, which is also contributing to gold's appeal as a safe haven. These factors have defied earlier market analyst predictions that gold would remain below $2,700 until year-end. While some technical analysis suggests that the RSI is in overbought territory, suggesting potential profit-taking, many analysts remain optimistic about gold's future, with potential targets set as high as $3,000 per ounce by year-end. Now, let's switch to the charts and see what they tell us. Examining the daily chart of XAUUSD, we observe a clear uptrend, with the price breaking through several resistance levels. The recent surge has propelled the price to new all-time highs, surpassing the previous record high set earlier this year. This sustained upward momentum indicates strong bullish sentiment, suggesting that investors are confident in gold's long-term prospects. To gain a better understanding of the current market conditions and identify potential short-term price movements, we'll zoom in on the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, confirming the uptrend we observed on the daily chart. The recent surge in price can be seen as a strong breakout from a consolidation pattern, suggesting that the bulls are in control. Let's now identify some key price levels to keep an eye on. A crucial support level is located near $2,685, which represents the recent breakout point from the consolidation pattern. Holding above this level would signal a continuation of the uptrend. However, if the price breaks below this level, it could indicate a shift in momentum, suggesting that the bears may be taking over. Resistance levels are located at $2,717, $2,736, and $2,748. Breaking above these levels would further solidify the bullish sentiment and open up the potential for more significant gains. To gain an even closer look at the short-term market dynamics, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, we observe a rapid price increase, fueled by buying pressure, suggesting that traders are actively seeking to buy gold at current levels. This strong buying pressure is likely influenced by the news events we discussed earlier, such as the escalating geopolitical tensions and the expectation of further interest rate cuts. However, we should be mindful of the possibility of profit-taking at any time, given the RSI is in overbought territory. In the short term, it is essential to monitor the price action on the 15-minute chart, looking for potential reversals or consolidation patterns. We can also identify potential support and resistance levels within this time frame. For example, the recent breakout point from the consolidation pattern on the 1-hour chart, around $2,685, can also serve as a short-term support level on the 15-minute chart. Similarly, the resistance levels on the 1-hour chart can act as short-term resistance levels on the 15-minute chart. It is important to note that the short-term price fluctuations can be quite volatile, requiring traders to have a disciplined trading plan and to manage risk effectively. Let's recap the key price levels that we've identified. On the daily chart, we've identified key support levels around $2,685 and $2,676. Holding above these levels would support the current uptrend. Resistance levels are located at $2,717, $2,736, and $2,748. Breaking above these levels would indicate strong bullish momentum and open up the potential for reaching higher price targets. On the 1-hour chart, we can see similar support and resistance levels, which can also be used to identify potential short-term trading opportunities. The short-term market dynamics are particularly volatile, requiring traders to monitor the 15-minute chart closely. Key support levels within this time frame include the recent breakout point on the 1-hour chart, around $2,685. Resistance levels on the 1-hour chart can also act as short-term resistance levels on the 15-minute chart. Traders need to be mindful of the possibility of profit-taking or reversals within this time frame. Ultimately, the XAUUSD gold price is likely to remain influenced by the ongoing geopolitical tensions, the expectation of further interest rate cuts, and the upcoming U.S. presidential election. Therefore, we can anticipate further volatility in the short term. If the geopolitical situation deteriorates, we could see a further acceleration in gold's price. However, we could also see a consolidation phase before further upward movement. It is important to have a disciplined trading plan and to manage risk effectively when trading XAUUSD in this volatile environment. Remember, these are just observations and potential predictions, and the market can always surprise us. Do your own research, consult your financial advisor, and don't forget to stay informed about the latest news and events that could affect the gold price. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your trading.